Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video, we are going to learn the concept of polymorphism. It's called compile-time polymorphism. It's called method overloading, and we will also understand the constructor overloading also. So let's create program, creating a class. The name of this class is main multiply. Example, creating a void, public static void main also. So here I'm creating a class multiply just to understand the concept of overloading. So I'm creating here the method like int get multiply. Here I'm just using a two number num1 num2 like this, and here I'm returning the multiplication of num1 and num2 like this. So I'm creating an object of this class multiply like this, and here I'm passing a value for multiplication, and if I run it, because I have to run it under the system.out.println. Multiplication of two number equal to like this, and we have to close in a bracket also, and if I run it, you see I have the output multiplication of two number. But if I call it again and I call it with floating number, I say 23.4 f and 45.46 f like this. So you see there is an error here. Why? Because it's an integer variable, these are floating variable, and in this method we have only integer variable. So what we have to do, I will create a one more method with the name of same name of this, and here I will change the data type to float. Here also I will change to float, and return type should be the float also. You see the same method I have declared, but with different number of parameter. Here we have a floating, return type is floating, so the name of the method is same. If the name of the method is same but the number of argument and types of argument is different, is called method overriding, sorry, method overloading. So here I have put the floating value and I run it, so I will have the multiplication in floating format. So you see this is called method overloading, that is compile-time polymorphism. So if the same thing I do with the help of constructor, I did like this, and with the help of constructor I do the same thing, and I pass the value in constructor integer like this, and I also create the instance variable num2, float type of variable like this, and I initialize this dot num1 equal to num1, and this dot num2 equal to num2 like this. And I create one more method like void display multiply, and here I just display dot println multiply equal to plus, and here I say num1 into num2. This is integer type. If I do this, same thing I can do with one more constructor here, but here I will do the float data type. I can change the number also. I say 3 and 4. Here also 3 and 3, 4 and 4, and I can create one more method and I say display multiply f, means float. Here we can say int for I, and here I can say 3 and 4. So if I do this way, you see I have created two constructor with same name but different argument is there. So that is also concept of constructor overloading. And here, because default constructor is not found, so I can create my default constructor also like this, just to removing the error here. Or I can create my own constructor. I can create my constructors, different constructors like this. Multiply m2 equal to new multiply. Here I'm passing integer value and I say m2 dot display integer, so it will display. Or if I pass the same value but in floating format, I say 0.45f 56.0.45f, and here I display the floating method and I run it. So with the help of constructor, I will execute. What is the error? Error is this, because it is 2, we have to change this to 3, and here we have to change this to 3. And you see the output is here. Again we have this output like this. So this is the concept of constructor overloading and method overloading in Java. So same constructor with different number of argument, same name of method like this with different number of argument or different types of argument is called method overloading. This is the one kind of polymorphism also. That's all.